I'd say my big attraction to this project was that I've always wanted to live in a really energy efficient home.
Everything is as local as possible. They got all their building materials locally when possible. We have blown cellulose installations, low VOC paint, things that don't make or try to make as least of an impact on the environment as possible. And what's great about it is that it works well and they make it easy.
If you take a look on my roof, you'll see the 12 photovoltaic panels on my left, and those are the electricity. If you watch the meters here, they'll be going backwards because I'm not drawing electricity from the grid, I'm actually selling it to the grid.
But we have manuals, we have everything's labeled in the basement, we know what to do with our AC-DC converter and our solar hot water tank and things like that. So it's all been done in a way that a first-time home buyer can come in and really benefit in more ways than one from the green building technology and really being comfortable in your home and having it work efficiently.
It was amazing actually because it was the first chance to really see how the technology was going to work.
Right now I'm not paying electricity, it's $20 minus per month, so it's negative. And also the gas is $10 a month.
When we decided that we were going to buy a home, we had been looking around at homes in our price range and couldn't find anything that we really felt strongly about, nothing that said that to us, this is our home. And when we found this, the Wisdom Way Solar Village here, the homes are so affordable. We went to our bank, got a great mortgage product, and we're actually paying less in our mortgage than we were in rent.
The second factor in my decision to move here was the sense of community. I'm looking ahead to my retirement years. I wanted a home that I'd be able to live in for a long time, but I also wanted to be in a community that wasn't just elderly and mature. I was looking to be in a community that was very diverse and mixed, and we certainly are here.
Most neighborhoods that I was living in, people are very reserved and introvert. However, here people reach out to me, and I feel also that I can reach out to them, and this goes back and forth. So this is very important for me, especially that I have a child, a 10-year-old son, that I know that he's in a safe place to live, and this gives you peace of mind.
And it gives you nice stability knowing that your kids are going to grow up with the same kids and that we're going to be able to have long-term relationships with our neighbors and all get along and have barbecues and stuff like that.
Another great thing about the place here is that they were put together so, I guess, meticulously. I'm not a builder or anything like that. I don't know too much about it, but by what my friends have said and a lot of people that I've talked to who have learned about the community here and have seen how the houses are built, they're pretty amazed at how well they've been put together.
To have a brand new home means I'm not going to be worrying about the roof or the sewer, that these at times could be very expensive. So at least for 10 or 20 years, I'm not going to be thinking about it. Also, RDI gave me 1 year of warranty. So any problem, always I can come back to them.
Especially during the winter when it's freezing cold out and I'm inside sitting in there knowing I'm not wasting that much gas and it's nice and warm, just feels comfortable. It's a nice home feeling.
Very luminous, as you can see. If you look around, you can see it. I don't have curtains because I love the light coming through.
It's a nice home feeling. I feel comfortable here at this house.